This is the Vivo iQOO 13, a true flagship packed with advanced features. But does it have what it takes to face giants like the Samsung S25 Ultra and the Xiaomi 15 Ultra? Let's dive into its specifications and find out if it's worth it. Starting with the design, we have a premium phone with 8.0mm thickness, weighing between 207 and 213 grams depending on your chosen version. Additionally, it has IP68 and IP69 certifications, which guarantee complete protection against dust and water. The front is made of shot Zensation Alpha glass, with an aluminum alloy frame and back-in glass or fiberglass. A special highlight for the BMW M branded version, which features an RGB LED on the back. For the display, we have a 6.82-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with Quad HD Plus resolution and a 144Hz refresh rate, which makes navigation super smooth and improves the gaming experience. The brightness reaches an incredible 4,500 nits at peak, which is simply impressive for use in any condition, including under direct sunlight. The display supports HDR10+ and has a screen-to-body ratio of approximately 90.2%. Inside, we have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor manufactured at 3 nanometers, with 8 cores, 2 high-performance cores up to 4.32 GHz, and 6 efficiency cores up to 3.53 GHz. The GPU is an Adreno 830, which works together with 12 GB or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM running at 4,800 MHz. Storage varies between 256 GB, 512 GB, or up to 1 TB of UFS 4.0, and there's no support for expansion via microSD, and to be honest, it's not needed. In the camera setup, we have a triple configuration of 50 megapixels each. The main camera has an f1.9 aperture, 23mm focal length, and optical stabilization for everyday photos. We also have a 50 megapixel telephoto with 2x optical zoom and optical stabilization, which allows shooting with great quality. To complete the set, we have a 50 megapixel ultra-wide with a 15mm lens and f2.0 aperture. For selfies, we have a 32 megapixel front camera that does its job well. In terms of video, the iQOO 13 can record up to 8K at 30 frames per second, 4K at 60 frames per second, and 1080p at various frame rates with EIS stabilization. For the battery, the iQOO 13 comes with an impressive 6,150 mAh capacity, which should easily last a full day of intensive use and maybe even more. And when the battery runs out, the 120-watt charging will be ready to serve you, charging the device from 0 to 100% in just 30 minutes. For connectivity, we have 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, infrared port, and USB Type-C 3.2 with OTG. The GPS supports various navigation systems such as GLONASS, Beidou, Galileo, and QZSS for maximum precision. The iQOO 13 also comes with Android 15 running the FunTouch OS 15 interface with a promise of up to 4 major operating system updates. The fingerprint sensor is ultrasonic under the display and responds very quickly. It also features stereo speakers with support for 24-bit 192 kHz high-res audio and Snapdragon sound technology. The processor is one of the most powerful on the market, and the cameras deliver exceptional performance, making this smartphone a strong competitor among the leading flagships. If you're looking for a top-tier smartphone with one of the best displays on the market, a powerful processor, a versatile camera system, and ultra-fast charging, this Vivo iQOO 13 brings an impressive set of features to consider, especially for its competitive price compared to other flagships. Interested in this smartphone? You can grab it on AliExpress for $568. Check the link in the video description. So, what did you think of the Vivo iQOO 13? Leave your comments in the demographic field below. Before you go, join our exclusive X-Tech Deals channel on WhatsApp. There you'll find great deals and stay protected from scams. All links are in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this one. See you in the next video. Bye.